G'day all, Mr. Shea Poulet. We're part 2 video. We're doing the meat birds and the ducks. It's really muddy in here and it looks horrible, but tomorrow's Friday, so after work tomorrow I'm going to cut a whole bunch of grass and at least put some grass down here for them. It's rained like crazy the last couple days, so in the coop I put bedding down too, but they've been doing, man, some of the ducks are huge. So here we'll get a video of the ducks. So the meat birds are getting pretty good size. So some are much redder than the other ones, you can tell. Man, look at the duck at the feeder. It's huge. So once the meat birds are gone, then I'm gonna put the ducks on a layer mash, on duck, like a game bird layer. It won't be big giant pellets like that, but right now they're on a meat builder, what you would give your meat birds. You're getting pretty fat, eh? You're getting pretty fat. Some of you are chubby. Only lost 2 birds so far, knock on wood. And everyone seems to be healthy and alive. Man, they eat so much. This was up here yesterday. Now it's here. But there's also 59 birds in here. There's 19 ducks and 40 meat birds. Yeah, some of them are pretty good sized bird. Yeah, I know, chill out. There. They don't like to go outside too much. I want them to go in the grass though. It'd be good for them. I don't think they'll come out here. Let's see. We'll leave them be. The ducks are curious, eh? They're watching me. Well, they're coming out. They're curious. They haven't been out yet. It'd be nice to get them used to coming out and foraging and then going back in again. It's starting to rain. I'm gonna have to cut the video. We're supposed to get another downpour. You guys kind of came out. Hey, you guys kind of came out. Not sure, eh? Ducks tend to really stick together. Oh, my sprinkler just turned on. It rained all day and it's going to rain all night. And my sprinkler's still on. Can't get enough water in the garden. Well, at least a couple of the meat birds are smart. Once you get one or two ducks, they'll all go. Yeah, I see my look at the squash growing here.
Hey, you know what that is? That's a sunflower.
Yeah, I know.
I weeded in there today.
Yeah,
And I moved the swing set. I put the sand in there.
yeah, there's squash growing in there.
Oh, shit.
Right here, right in there.
Oh, I thought that was part of the story.
Squash. They have a big volume.
Just pull it out. I don't want squash in there.
Huge.
Anyway, supper's pretty much done.
Just like skittish, eh? Anyway, it's starting to rain, so we're gonna close her up. So that's what I do every day, folks. So thanks for tuning in. Sprinklers on for another 20 minutes or so. So those are sunflowers. Fiance just said so. And look, we got squash growing here. But she doesn't want the squash in there, so she told me to take them out. So anyway, I'm gonna pull the squash out and plant them over in the garden. All right, y'all. Have a good one.